Of turmeric milk. Golden milk contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound and may offer health benefits. This bright yellow beverage is traditionally made by warming up cows or plant-based milk with turmeric and other spices such as cinnamon and ginger. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has a natural anti-inflammatory effect on the body. Consuming turmeric milk can help reduce inflammation, making it beneficial for those with conditions such as arthritis and joint pain. Number 2. Boost immunity. Turmeric contains antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that can help strengthen the immune system. Drinking golden milk regularly may aid in preventing and fighting off common illness and infections. Number 3. Digestive health. Turmeric milk can support digestive health by stimulating the production of bile in the liver, which aid in the digestion. It can also help soothe digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Number 4. Promote better sleep. Turmeric milk has traditionally been used as a natural remedy for better sleep. It can help calm the mind and body due to its relaxing effects, making it beneficial for individuals with insomnia and difficulty following sleep. Number 5. Improve memory and brain function. Golden milk may be good for your brain too. Curcumin may increase level of brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF). BDNF is a compound that helps your brain form new connections and promote the growth of brain cells. Number 6. Improve mood. It's appeared that turmeric, more specifically its active compound curcumin, may boost mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Number 7. Protect against heart diseases. Heart diseases is the worldwide leading causes of death. Interesting, cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric, the key ingredient in the golden milk, have all been linked to a lower risk of heart diseases. Number 8. Reduce your risk of cancer. Cancer is a disease marked by uncontrolled cell growth. Studies indicate that cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric may offer some protection against cancer. However, results are conflicting and additional research is needed. Number 9. Antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. In India, golden milk is often used as a home remedy against cold. Turmeric milk have antibacterial, antiviral properties which may protect your body from infections.